Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video today we will see how can we upload the files which are more than 25 MB in your Google email. Most of the time we want to send some mails and the content what we want to send is more than 25 MB. So we are unable to attach it in our email. Those who are using Google Drive, they are well versed to use it. But if you don't know how to use the Google Drive and you are using the Gmail, it is a very easy task. How can you do this? Say example, I am sending one mail. I will send email on my another email ID so that I can show you how can we see it. So I want to attach a file. Suppose I am attaching one video. Now you will get a pop-up. You can see the file is larger than 25 MB, so it will be sent as the Google Drive link. Automatically in the Gmail, Google Drive link is generated. You don't need to upload it into the Google Drive or need to take some extra efforts. So it is uploading. You can send any attachment. In next video, I will explain you how can you make use of Google Drive to save your all records and you can customize your whatever teaching materials, teaching tool, etc. are there in the Google Drive. So here friends, we can see the upload is almost completed. Yes, finally it is uploaded. Now you can see this link is completely uploaded. So it is in my Google Drive now. Send it. Now while you will send it, you will get option. Now I don't want the person to edit my file, but I'm submitting my work. I don't want the person to edit it so he can view. But along with view, if he or she can comment, you can click on the comment, but the work can be edited. So that time we can click on the edit. If you don't want to give access, means the person cannot download it, only can view. So that time you can click on it. But now I am opening it in my another email ID to show how it appears in the email. So I just click on send. I will see my email ID, another email ID where I have sent it. Okay, so this file has already come. You can see that link is here. If I will click on this link, automatically I will be directed to my Google Drive. So this is very simple to send one file which is more than 25 MB in your Gmail account. But still, if you have any doubt, you can post it in your comment box. Thank you.